A frequent question is, how much does it cost to do an oil change? Well, sometimes there's a difference between the price of something and what it actually costs you. Hoping to give you a little bit of insight on that today. Welcome to Mercy J Auto Care, where compassion and craftsmanship come together. I'm Rick Smith, Master Certified Technician. So first of all, there are many shops that do a fantastic job on oil changes. They will not only change the oil and filter, but they'll top off all your fluids, air up your tires, and do a good thorough inspection on the car to make sure it's safe and reliable for you. But not all shops do that. Some won't top off the fluids, some don't do an inspection, or some do an inspection, but it's what I call pencil whipping. They just look at it really quickly and just try to find things that they can sell you, not actually give you a good report on your car. Another thing to consider is the type of oil. Most vehicles now have what's called variable cam timing. And so most vehicles really do need synthetic oil at this point. And then lastly is the frequency of the change. We used to do oil changes every 3,000 miles. Now we have manufacturers recommending them as long as 10 to 12,000 miles. I really think there's a balance somewhere in the middle that's best. We usually go 5,000 to 6,000 miles on our oil changes here at Mercy J. So those are all things to consider to determine what it's actually going to cost you in the end, because you need your car maintained properly. And if you want to know what it looks like to do a cheap oil change, which we call a spill and fill, watch our next video on that about spill and fills. I hope this has been informational for you, and I hope it helps you become a better consumer and know how to look for the right price. And until next time, safe travels and blessings to you.